Look at all this dirt. Look at all that dirt. All that dirt came out of here. What's up, guys? So I have to be honest with you. One of my favorite jobs as a landscaper is when people want pressure washing done. You know why? Because I got my board shorts on and a t-shirt. All I need is hearing protection, and I get to get wet. So this right here is my setup. Pretty easy stuff. Let's get to pressure washing. That out, and you can see with these paver driveways it really is a mess. So basically you got to go out and rinse off the whole thing. I'll show you what part I did rinse off already. We already rinsed off this pathway. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Everything's looking good. So that's what we're gonna do on the driveway here, and I'll show you the after. Alright peeps, we are done with the driveway. I'm gonna flip you guys around, show you what we got, and then I'll take a picture of the after and we'll do a quick before and after. Check that out, guys. Sparkly clean. Look at all this dirt. Look at all that dirt. All that dirt came out of here. Look at this. This is nice. Check this out. Sidewalks all dried up. Everything is looking good. So we're good to go. We out.